Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the gold price has moved in the last week and how the gold price can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is currently trading at around $1707.94. Okay, and why we have seen this sudden spike? As you can see the trend, if you look at this particular trend line, this is the point where we have seen a breakout has happened and it has made a level of around $17 and from there it has come down after hitting a resistance at this particular level. Okay, and overall if we look at this particular week, a trend is on the upper side. Okay, as we have seen a swing has formed at this particular level for gold. Okay, before that it was continuously on the downside. As you can see that this is the range where the gold price is moving after making a high of around $2072, and at this particular level these resistance are already weak, resistance already being tested twice, and so probability will be high if the price comes close to this level it can move further upside, as I have already suggested you in my previous videos also, that once the price goes above a level of around 2000, then chances will be high that it can break this particular level and it can move further upside. Before we move forward and explain you where it can go in the next week, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work in gold, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, now this is the range where we have seen the price of gold is moving. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain this particular level, we can see a $1722 is a weak resistance, so chances will be high that we can see it can move further upside towards a level of $1728. Okay, again $1728 is a resistance which is a weak resistance, so chances will be high we can see it can move towards a level of $1735. Okay, and once the price move up that level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $1744.85, and this $1744.85 is again a weak resistance, so chances will be very high we can see the price can go further high towards a level of $1764, and from there we can see it can move further high and can touch a level of around $1770. Okay, and once towards a level of $70, once it goes above a level of $1744.85, then we can see it can touch a level of $1767.38, which is again a weak resistance, so chances will be high that we can see it can move towards a level of $1796. Okay, and once if it goes above that level, then there is a high chances that it can move further upside, and a probability of touching 1796 is there, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of $1807. Okay, and from there we can see it can move further upside if the price sustain above that level. Okay, because the trend line will break upside and a probability of moving further high is on a higher side. Okay, but the market is uncertain. As we have seen, there is huge volatility we have seen in this particular range. So suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can move further low and can come towards a level of around $1701, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around $1690. Price move below that level, then chances are high that it can go towards a level of $1675 to a level of around $1669, and if that level didn't sustain, then a probability of moving further low towards a level of $1638 will be there, because a level of around $1645 is a weak support, so chances are high we can see it can move further downside towards a level of around $1617. Keep this in mind, because this level is already a weak support, so chances are very high if the price move below a level of 1641, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of 1637 to a level of around 1614. And I have already explained you that 1614 or 1613 is a support which is already being tested here, so chances will be high that it can move further low and can touch a level of around 1611. Then if that level didn't sustain, then we can see it can move towards a level of 1593, and once the price move below that level, then we can see it can move further down. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have given the mail IDs in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.